everyone, welcome back to Ginatopia. Today on Friday Finds, I want to show you a makeup blender that my niece turned me on to that is absolutely fabulous. And they're only $1 and they're latex free. You can't get much better than that. They are the AOA Studio Wonder Blender, and for $1, oh my gosh, they're fabulous. Let me take it out of the packaging and show it to you. This is what they look like in the packaging. And let me show you. It is like a fresh marshmallow out of the bag. They are fabulous. And when you say $1, yes, $1. Let me show you what you normally get for $1. This is what you normally get for $1 at the dollar store. They don't clean up well no matter what product you use on them. They are hard. They are like a stale marshmallow. You just can't clean them. And to put makeup on with that thing, you don't want that thing anywhere near your face. This is one of the best products I've ever seen, and yes, it rivals the original Beauty Blender in my book, my opinion. This is what it looks like when you wet it. That thing is a dream on your face. It is like applying your foundation with a cloud. I can't brag on this enough. I will put purchasing information down below. They are made in the USA, which makes them an additional, to me, a plus in a product, and they are just so soft. They clean like a dream. I love the way they smell when I clean them with my Irish Spring soap. But you can use them wet or dry. Dry if you want a more full coverage with foundation. Wet if you like a more sheer coverage. And I love this Wonder Blender. And for $1, they are fabulous. And you can only purchase 5 at a time because I was going to buy 20 of them, so I'm going to have to make a couple of orders. But these things are wonderful. I love them. And like I said, even dry, it is wonderful to apply your foundation. They aren't hard. They're very soft. Love this product. I want to share it with you. I'll put information down below where you can purchase them. Love this product. I want to share it with you because I know makeup sponges can be rather expensive. You know, this was my favorite before, but once I've tried this, this is going on the back shelf. This is my new favorite makeup sponge. Want to share it with you. It is the AOA Studio Wonder Blender. I'll put information down below. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and a share. If you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to share the love, not the hate. But my Friday finds for this week is the AOA Wonder Blender. Love this product, and I wanted to share it with you to save some money, because if you're like me, you're on a budget, and every dollar you save is a dollar you can spend somewhere else, and these are a fabulous product. I know you'll like it if you try it. Get over here and turn this camera off. Sorry, girls and guys. Give it a try. I know you'll love it.